First round, guys.
Forgot, bro.
Kahapon, panalo kami dalawang run. Yung first at saka second. Panalo. Ito, game na. Wait, let's go. Natrap. Naka 20% pala ako. Yun, na gano'n sila. Skip ba sila? May nag-skip tapos meron ding
We have so many.
mabay. Oo nga, madami kaming kalaban ngayon. Buti na lang hinarapan nila.
Dead, bro.
Yeah, because I'm
Nice
in
one.
front.
Na PVP, guys.
Bro.
Nice one,
Yeah,
guys.
you know, it's okay. Only need 100 points.
Oh, really? 100 points, then you get the reward?
Yeah, get the reward. So no worry.
Chertuba 5 minutes.
Boss, focus on the boss, focus on the boss.
Okay, okay.
Problem, no people on Discord, bro. Hindi niya yung listening, bro.
Yeah, only few of us. Even Sun, I don't know where is it.
Meron, no? Yan ba
Bro,
sila?
you're on enemy side, bro.
33 ulit kami.
Oh, agonis, no?
No.
Kagabi, 33 lang din
behind
kami.
you,
Yeah, it's you. It's agony. Oh, someone's hitting me.
Nice one. PVP.
Oh, we're winning, bro.
The enemy weak,
Yeah.
but the number is good.
Yeah, 31.
Incora 5 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
Valefer 5 minutes. Savan 10 minutes.
How many we have? For 34, 31, yeah. EFP, yeah.
Ito next. Sige, wag nang bumalik.
Yeah. TP back,
Last na lang.
Just once.
Please.
First chopper or oratory?
Oratory.
Oh my gosh.
The first one, after that, click the yellow off, then enter. Yeah, focus on the boss. Me already
Siguro
in the
pag namatay
front.
itong boss na to, diretso na kami
Over.
sa
Basila 10
third
minutes.
room.
Chertuba 3 minutes. Selu 5 minutes.
Pero pwede pa rin matalo guys pag ganito eh. Kasi minsan nakaipon pala ng maraming scroll yung mga kalaban. Kahit hindi konti yung ano nila. Wait, pulutin natin yan par. Kasi ano, sayang yan pre. Ano? Sige kayo na nga sa inyo na yan. Game. Isa lang, pero pwede na to. Basta gagamitin na natin kagad. Buti na lang inabangan nila, oh. Nice one. Pili ko sure win na to.
Pandroid 5 minutes. Valefer 3 minutes. Incora 3 minutes.
Yan na sila. May stun pa ako guys, ah. Marina. Huwag natin papapaluin yan. Hindi ko man nagamit yung spell ko.
Uy,
Nice one.
Right.
Yeah, G.
34 kami. Sila ano. 31. Nice one guys, panalo first round. Yun lang guys, abangan nyo yung second round namin ngayong Sunday. Bye bye!